Hey there, Gut Harmony family. Today we're going to go over the 7 daily habits that will boost your immune system and keep you healthy. Make sure to watch to the end to learn about the 7-Day Immune Boost Challenge so you can start applying simple habits for stronger health. For your convenience, we've included the sources of the information in the video transcript, and you can find the full bibliography in the video description. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for everyone: daily habits that can boost your immune system. With everything going on in the world, staying healthy is a top priority. And let's be honest, none of us like getting sick. Having a strong immune system is one of the best ways to protect your body. It helps you fend off infections, bounce back quicker when you do get sick, and just keeps you feeling your best. In this video, we'll go over simple, effective habits that you can easily add to your routine. Whether it's tips on hydration, making healthier food choices, or getting enough sleep, these small changes can make a big impact on your health. You'll also learn about how regular exercise and stress management can really give your immune system the support it needs. By the end of this video, you'll have some great, actionable strategies to enhance your immune system and feel your best. So let's jump into this journey to better health together. Habit 1, stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is probably one of the easiest habits you can adopt, but it's so effective for boosting your immune system. Water plays a huge role in how your body absorbs vitamins and minerals, things your immune system absolutely needs. Plus, it helps flush out toxins, which is key for staying healthy. I've noticed that when I'm properly hydrated, I feel more energetic and less sluggish, and my skin looks better too, so it's a win-win. The general rule of thumb is to drink about 8 8-ounce glasses of water a day, which equals about 2 liters. But honestly, this can vary depending on how active you are or where you live. Some days I realize I haven't had enough, and my body will tell me. So listen to your body. And hey, if plain water gets boring, try incorporating hydrating foods like cucumbers, oranges, or watermelon into your diet. They not only provide extra hydration, but are also packed with vitamins that support your immune system. It's such a simple thing, but staying hydrated is a game changer when it comes to keeping your immune system strong. Habit 2, eat a balanced diet. Eating well plays a huge role in how well your immune system functions. Nutrients like vitamin C and D, zinc, and antioxidants are especially important. I've started being more intentional about including these nutrients in my meals, and it really makes a difference. For example, vitamin C, which you can find in citrus fruits or bell peppers, helps produce white blood cells, the warriors of your immune system. Meanwhile, vitamin D, which you can get from sunlight or fortified foods, boosts your immune response. I try to eat a rainbow of fruits and veggies each day because every color represents different vitamins and minerals. Think of foods like berries, leafy greens, and colorful root vegetables. One trick that's worked for me is meal prepping for the week. It keeps me on track, and I don't have to scramble for something healthy when I'm busy. When you fuel your body with the right nutrients, your immune system can work at its best. Habit 3, regular exercise. We all know exercise is good for us, but it's also fantastic for your immune system. I found that even a 30-minute walk each day can make a big difference. Physical activity helps improve circulation, allowing immune cells to travel more freely throughout your body. This helps your immune system identify and attack potential invaders more efficiently. The great thing is, you don't need to be a gym rat to get these benefits. Whether it's walking, biking, or doing some yoga at home, just find something you enjoy. For me, doing yoga in the morning sets a positive tone for the day. And if you have a workout buddy, that's even better. You can keep each other motivated and accountable, plus it makes the experience way more fun. Habit 4, prioritize sleep. We've all had those nights where we didn't get enough sleep, and the next day feels like a struggle. That's because sleep plays a massive role in keeping your immune system strong. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to give your body time to repair and regenerate, especially the cells that fight off infections. I started building a calming bedtime routine, and it's been a game changer. It can be as simple as reading a book, doing some light stretching, or even just drinking a cup of herbal tea. Also, I've noticed that cutting down on screen time before bed has helped me fall asleep faster. The blue light from phones and computers can mess with your body's natural sleep cycle. Try setting a digital curfew an hour before bedtime to help you unwind. Trust me, your body will thank you. Make sure to watch to the end because you will learn about the 7-Day Immune Boost Challenge. Simple habits for stronger health. Habit 5, manage stress. Managing stress is so important for your immune system. When we're stressed, our bodies produce more cortisol, a hormone that can weaken our immune response. I used to think stress was just part of life, but once I started actively managing it, I felt so much better. Meditation and deep breathing have been lifesavers for me. Even just 5 minutes of deep breathing can calm my mind and body. And don't forget to take breaks throughout the day. Whether it's stepping outside for fresh air or taking a moment to stretch, these little breaks help keep stress in check. Also, spending time with friends and family is one of the best ways to lower stress. I love catching up with loved ones, even if it's just a quick chat. Those connections really help me feel supported, and that boosts my overall well-being. Habit 6, practice good hygiene. This one might seem obvious, but it's worth emphasizing. Practicing good hygiene, like washing your hands regularly, is one of the easiest ways to prevent illness. I've made it a habit to wash my hands for at least 20 seconds, especially after coming home from public places or before eating. When I'm out and don't have access to soap and water, I always carry hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. It's a simple way to keep germs at bay. Also, I make a point to regularly disinfect high-touch areas around the house, like doorknobs, light switches, and countertops. It's an easy habit to form that can really make a difference in keeping you healthy. Habit 7, stay connected. One thing I've learned is that staying connected with others is not only good for your emotional well-being, but also your physical health. When you interact with loved ones, whether in person or virtually, it boosts your mood and helps reduce stress, which in turn strengthens your immune system. I try to make regular check-ins with friends and family a priority. Even a quick text or phone call can lift my spirits. Joining a community group or engaging in a hobby is also a great way to stay connected with others. Being part of a supportive community can do wonders for your health, so make staying connected part of your immune-boosting routine. In today's video, we've talked about 7 daily habits that can boost your immune system and overall health. From staying hydrated and eating a balanced diet to getting regular exercise and managing stress, each of these habits plays a crucial role in keeping you healthy. Plus, we've discussed the importance of sleep, good hygiene, and staying connected with others. Remember, you don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these habits into your daily routine and build from there. Small, consistent changes lead to big results. Here at Gut Harmony Health, we believe that taking care of yourself is the best way to take care of those around you. Let's keep moving toward better health, one habit at a time. The 7-Day Immune Boost Challenge, Simple Habits for Stronger Health. Welcome to the 7-Day Immune Boost Challenge. Over the next week, we'll focus on 1 immune-boosting habit each day. These small, manageable changes will help you strengthen your immune system and improve your overall health. Let's dive in. Day 1, hydrate for health. Goal, drink at least 8 glasses, 2 liters of water today. Staying hydrated is key to supporting your immune system. Water helps transport nutrients, flush out toxins, and keep your body functioning at its best. Start your day by drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning and continue sipping throughout the day. Bonus tip: add hydrating foods like cucumbers and oranges to your meals. Day 2, eat the rainbow. Goal: incorporate colorful fruits and vegetables into every meal. Your immune system thrives on a variety of nutrients. Focus on adding vibrant foods like berries, leafy greens, and sweet potatoes to your plate. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help keep your immune system strong. Plan your meals ahead to make sure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Day 3, move your body. Goal: get 30 minutes of moderate exercise. Exercise boosts circulation, which helps immune cells move through your body more effectively. Whether it's walking, cycling, or yoga, find an activity you enjoy and commit to 30 minutes today. If you can, invite a friend to join you for extra motivation. Movement doesn't have to be intense, just consistent. Day 4, prioritize sleep. Goal: get 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep tonight. Sleep is essential for immune health. During rest, your body repairs and strengthens its defense systems. Create a calming bedtime routine tonight. Dim the lights, read a book, or enjoy a warm bath. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed, as the blue light can disrupt your sleep cycle. A well-rested body is a healthy body. Day 5, manage stress. Goal, practice 10 minutes of stress relief techniques. Stress can weaken your immune system, so it's important to manage it. Today, take 10 minutes to practice deep breathing, meditation, or journaling. I love using a quick breathing exercise when I feel overwhelmed. It calms my mind and helps me refocus. Remember, finding what works for you is key. Day 6, practice good hygiene. Goal, focus on hand washing and cleaning high-touch surfaces. Good hygiene habits are one of the simplest ways to protect your immune system. Make a habit of washing your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after being in public spaces. Take a few minutes today to disinfect common surfaces in your home, like doorknobs, light switches, and counters. Day 7, stay connected. Goal, reach out to a friend or family member. Social connections are great for your immune system and overall well-being. Call or text a friend or have a virtual coffee chat. Connecting with loved ones helps reduce stress, boost mood, and improve immune function. Social wellness is just as important as physical health. You've completed the 7-Day Immune Boost Challenge. Take a moment to reflect on how these simple changes have made you feel. Do you feel more energized, more connected, or more in tune with your body? These habits can continue long after the challenge ends. Just take it one day at a time. Let's keep building a healthier, happier you. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of gut health and wellness and much more. Check out this related video, and I'll see you in the next video.